YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike, and we're back for another video. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna be doing a minoxidil journey. I probably just butchered that word, minoxidil. Anyway, I'm doing a beard journey using minoxidil. If you are subscribed to me, you probably know that I've done this before, and I can definitely say minoxidil does work. And if you subscribe and stay tuned on my channel, you'll see that it actually does work. I've done this before, I've tried it out, and I had hair grow on my face. I had a beard grow. And then I just cut it off. That was literally like a year ago today. Like, probably not exactly today, but you know, it was a year ago. I experienced a beard growing on my cheeks, which never happened before I used minoxidil. This hair right here is still right here. I never cut it off, and this is all from minoxidil too. This grew thicker, my mustache grew thicker, my eyebrows grew thicker. Everything just grew. And then I cut it off to see what would happen if you cut off your hair results because of minoxidil. Does it grow back, or will you need to keep applying for it to grow back? It did grow back after I cut it off, and then I cut it off again, and then it didn't grow back. So this time I'm gonna try to grow it out for maybe, I don't know, maybe I might grow it out forever, and then just show you guys the results as I do it. So today's the day where I reapply the minoxidil. Let me just give you a quick view of what my face looks like. There's some hair right here, as you can see, but it's not much. So as you can see, there is hair on my face, but it's not that much. And this hair actually is here because of the minoxidil that I used last time, because I never had hair on my face before I used it. So we're gonna be starting a new journey, and you're here to watch. So subscribe right now so you can stay tuned with this journey.